Hey, good afternoon. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. I want to wish everybody had a great Christmas, and I hope you have a safe and enjoyable New Year's. Just be careful on the highway. Just got back. I've been doing a few things on the MGB since we've had some little cold snap, so I couldn't do a whole lot on the body. I do plan on touching it up tomorrow. Cleaning it today, doing some little fine sanding, some places I didn't like, so I'll be touching it up tomorrow. Hopefully by tomorrow afternoon I can shoot some clear on it, and a couple coats of clear, at least two, and then I'll be able to start putting some things back together. Stick with me for just a second. I'm going to show you a couple things I have been doing off camera in my other garage, so I can keep things moving along. So hold on for that thought. Okay, a couple things. I showed you some of this during previous videos. The windshield is now pretty much complete. So only thing I need to be doing is to actually install it, but I can't install it until all the clear is on. Got all new rubber on the around seals. All this is brand new. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Got a little dirty over in the other garage. So that's an update. Also want to show you these are before pictures of the buckets for the headlights. These are the old buckets. You can see one I had to cut out completely to get it out of the fender. This one came out pretty good. These are the new buckets going in. As I can show you, the new buckets will fit right in here once everything is clear coated. So then we have new headlights and new covers, so that's going to look pretty good. It's going to show off the front really well, and so that's what we're hoping to get done. Did some more fine tuning, but got a couple of areas I needed to work on that I had had the wrong setting on the gun, so it was way too much paint that I had to correct, and all that's been corrected now. So we'll clean it tomorrow and shoot these areas, and then put a clear coat on everything. At least two, three if I can do it. And then we'll be ready to start installing things, putting things back together. So that's where we stand. I want to give you a little update for the end of the year and start off the new year with a big bang. I'm going to get this engine cranked up. That's once I get a couple things back on here. I'm working on the interior, trying to get some pieces back together on that. So I've got that over in my shop, torn all to pieces. So a lot of that stuff is just it's press board, and it gets wet and it all falls apart, so I'm replacing all of it. So that's where we stand. All right, talk to you a little bit. Hey guys, Buddy here at Bert's Garage on a rainy day, but it's warm. So come along with me as I prep this to try to paint. Depends if we get some sunshine by this afternoon, but I got a lot of wiping down. I got some wax and grease remover to make sure the car is nice and clean before I get into spraying a little bit of paint. It depends on what this afternoon weather does, but I'm trying to get it done because if cold weather comes back, which it will in South Carolina in January, I'll at least have it done. So come along with me and let's take a look and see what we can accomplish today. Thanks. All right, so still raining here, so this is probably pretty much all I'm going to do today. I did get another coat of base on. Took care of all the little areas that I was having problems with, like this area right through here. Redid the fenders, reshot where the headlights go, and like looks good. The front section got some more paint on it. This side, this side I had the big area that I might put another coat of paint on once it dries, but it's just a little too damp today. But pretty much done for the day. Still have to do the my nemesis, the hood. That's going to be I'm going to strip all the rest of this paint off and start from scratch before I shoot it again. That'll be the last thing I do. But the body itself is ready for clear. I mean, there's some areas that aren't perfect, but overall I think it looks really good, and I'm happy with it. So, and that's what it's all about. So that's where we stand. So in the next day or two, if I get some warm weather and no rain, I'm going to put some clear coat on the body, so I can at least start working on that and work on some of the hood too. So thanks for joining me. Share, like, and subscribe, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks.